Welcome to my plant room. Today I'm going to unbox this Ruggable runner. We already have two Ruggable carpets in the house, and these are machine washable. You can replace the top rugs that are digital printed on. So when you order it, then they print them and ship them. And my wife said to do an unboxing because most of the unboxing and reviews out there are paid. So why not? I'll give it a shot. Nice box. Nice, I guess, I don't know, it's a box. And the reason we chose to do a machine washable rug is because we've got a rabbit and a baby coming. So chances are someone's gonna pee or poo on it, especially the rabbit. I'm not sure about the baby, but he likes to just pee or poo on carpets just for fun sometimes. But he hasn't done it yet at the new place. So this is it. It is the carpet with the pad. And we've got our Welcome to Ruggable label right here. Just gonna carefully packaging wrap is off, and we've got the Ruggable rug and then the underpad. And I think we got the standard underpad. So we paid 250 Canadian for the rainbow one with the pad, and then 230 Canadian for the runner and the Star Wars one, which comes out to 200 US and 180 US. I don't really know the shipping time. I feel like it kind of took a while to show up, but not the end of the world when you're not really thinking about it. So let's open up this underpad. So these are made of polyester, and they have some waterproof layer in the rug, so that's cool. I guess that's probably the whole reason you need them to be washable. And if you're expecting stains, that's where you get this instead of something else. So here's the pad. Black side goes down, sticks to the hardwood floors really well. And this whole top part is kind of like Velcro. So the carpet really sticks to it, and especially vacuuming it doesn't really move around because this thing is kind of heavy duty and it kind of just like really sticks everything to the ground. And these are made in the USA, and they only ship to USA and Canada, I think. So I guess once you order one of them, they print them out and then ship them out to you. And the designs are pretty cool. There was a bunch of Star Wars designs, which we really liked, and the rainbow one for the baby's room, so that's cool. The runner is pretty neat. If you look closely, you can kind of see that it's direct-to-garment print. It doesn't bother me, and they're pretty comfy. They're just like very low profile, but I guess it kind of has to be able to clean stuff out of it. So to set it up, the backside, we've got these little corners. Those corners aren't actually to tuck in like this. I watched some of the YouTube videos on their page, and they actually have a lot of good explanations for stuff. Like, you know, what's the color gonna look like? How long do they take to get shipped, I think, or how do they get made? And there's some stuff about the corners could roll up, but I think someone found out that if you just use a steam cleaner over it, like a carpet floor steamer, like the normal home ones you have, then that takes care of it. And here, look, we got some actual Velcro, but these silicone corners are just meant to add weight. They're not actually supposed to slide in like that. And then this bottom part is smaller than the rug, so I guess there's an overlap and it's easier to install. That's what they said in the video, so I guess I'll just film myself installing it where it should go. Looks pretty good, but on this side here we have a little bit more slack. Than we do on the other side, and then on this side as well, we pretty much have no gap here, and here we have a lot more, so I guess we have to redo that until we get it right. So and using my feet as a squeegee, I've got it pretty much perfectly centered. Now let's see if the rabbit enjoys running on it. Rabbit approves. So after filming my video, my wife pointed out that this was actually the wrong runner. So they then sent this runner with another under padding to make up for sending the first one. And they sent it real quick. So shout out Ruggable support. So far, a couple days in, I like the designs. I like the way they feel. I think we have some of the softer under padding in the other room. Overall, I'm excited to get them dirty so that I can try washing them and see how that works. And if we do ever get bored of the designs, we can just get new ones to cover the underpads we already have. So would I recommend it? I don't know yet. I'll have to follow up after a couple washes and see how they hold up. And I think it's pretty cool how they do the digital print so you can get a whole bunch of different designs. Like this close-up really illustrates it. You can see the white in between the cracks to show that it was just printed on top. So that's my Ruggable unboxing and setup. I hope you like that. And if you like car reviews, I have a car review channel called TheStraightPipes. And if you like other home and tech stuff, I'm going to do that here too, just for fun because I'm already on YouTube, and why not try to do more of it?